Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easiest step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to insert 6 pictures on one page in Microsoft Word for printing. This technique is perfect when you want to print multiple photos, ID pictures, product images, or small graphics on a single sheet of paper. Instead of printing images one by one, this method helps you arrange multiple pictures neatly on one page, saving both time and paper while keeping everything perfectly aligned. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now I am go some down. Then go to the insert menu, click the picture option. Then choose picture from your file. Now I am select multiple picture, press and hold Ctrl on our keyboard to select multiple image. Then click insert. Now I am select the first picture, go to the format menu, then click wrap text option, choose in front of text. Then make the picture small. Then again click another picture and apply the same process. Then resize the picture. Then select another picture and make in front of text. Now I am resize the three pictures side by side. Then select the multiple picture, press and hold shift on our keyboard to select multiple picture. Go to the format menu, click alignment option. Make a line top. Then press and hold alt on our keyboard to control on our keyboard to copy the picture, then press shift to align the same position. Then we can see we adjust the 6 picture. Now I go to the file menu, click the print option. Otherwise you can press Ctrl P on our keyboard and we can see here the print preview. Now we click this print option, then we print. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.